Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all a travel bag. First going to start out by drawing the back of the bag. Start out with a line or curved line. Then I'm just going to drag this line and get it all the way down to here. Then I'm going to stop over here. Next thing I'm going to do is a little big pocket for this bag. Starting out with this curved line and getting it till about here. So to give this pocket some sort of a design look, I'm going to draw this line and curve it around so it kind of looks like it has a different fabric or a material. I'm going to stop that around here. I'm going to draw a line from here now till about here to finish that strap for the back or the design. I'm going to start another line from here now, bring it all the way down to here, curve it. This should begin the bottom of the bag. I know this doesn't look like a bag right away, but we kind of got the outside of the bag and a little bit of the pocket started out. So now to finish this side pocket out, I'm going to draw a line from here and connect it up to this corner over here. So the next thing I'm going to do is connect this line from here and then get that all the way till about here. Now we have the top of the bag. Now to give the bag a 3D look, I'm going to start a line from here and then just curve it all the way down to about here. Now we have the top part of the bag done. Now I'm going to draw a line from here till about here, which will be the zipper for the bag. So I'm going to start out by drawing a line from here from the outside. And I'm going to stop it about here. And then I'm going to continue the line from here till about there. So for this little vacant spot, I'm going to draw the zipper of the bag. I'm going to draw like a round shaped cube. That'll be the top of the zipper. And then I'm going to draw the little nubbit or thing that sticks out, or the part that you hold to get the zipper to open. I don't even know if nubbit is a real word, but now at the top over here, I'm going to draw that little strap that goes on the back of the bag when it's off your shoulder and you just want to hold it with your hands. First I'm going to draw this upside down U, the alphabet U for umbrella. And then I'm going to draw a line from here. And let's stop over here. Next thing I'm going to do is another curved line from here. And stop it over there. Now we have the strap of our bag. Now usually most bags have a little pocket or display thing that shows who the bag belongs to. So it's like a little rectangular patch or a see-through patch. That's what I'm going to draw over here. So I'm just going to draw a rectangular shaped patch to show that the part where you'd put your identification for the bag. And if you want, you can also draw another extra line just to give it a little bit more of a designer look. Now I'm going to draw the outside of the outer pocket or the big or secondary storage of the bag. And then just bring it all the way. I'm just going to continue this line down from here and curve it down till about here. I'm going to connect these two pieces over here. Now I'm going to continue to draw a line from here to show the flap of this part of the bag, which opens up. And now I'm going to connect this line from here and stop over there. I don't like how that side turned out, so I'm just going to erase that really quick. Try another try at this. Next thing I'm going to do is draw another rectangular shape inside, so it just looks like the bag has more than one fabric to it. Usually most travel bags do. I'm just going to connect this up over here. Now usually this part of the bags usually have some sort of locking mechanism, so what I'm going to do is erase this over here. And now I'm going to draw a rectangular locking mechanism, kind of like a quick release. So you have quick access to get the things out of your bag and back in your bag. I'm just going to draw another rectangular shape on the inside just so it looks like it is a lock of some sort. I'm going to repeat this similar shape over here. And for this part, I mean, you can really draw any shape you want. You can draw a rectangle, you can draw a square, you can even draw a triangle. Do another rectangular shape in here. Now I'm going to finish off the bottom part of this bag. So I'm going to start with the line from here and then bring it all the way down to here. I'm going to connect this corner or this part of the line till here to finish the bottom of the bag. The next thing I'm going to do is a strap that comes from the back of the bag and joins up to the bottom of the bag. I'll start out with a line from here and connect it up to the bottom of the bag over here. And do another line from here. And then one more line from here. Now for this part, I'm just going to draw a line from here till here, which is usually most bags have this kind of like a rubberized strip that is used to protect the bag while you use it so it doesn't get ripped or torn. I'm going to erase these extra lines. Gotta love vector trimming. And there we have it, people, our little travel bag. So for the next part of this video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this bag in. Thanks for watching, following along, and maybe even drawing. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. So till the next one, have a good one. Bye for now.